Okay, so I'm making this video for Camp Chef. It says 89 degrees and I've set it for 450. It's been running for about 10 minutes. And we've had this problem for a little while. But when you look at it, the actual degrees, it's almost 400 in here. So the problem we've had is we cook outdoors every single night. And I've cleaned what I think, like I would vacuum and stuff like that. I never thought about cleaning that little temperature probe until just last night, so I cleaned it today to see if that would help. But not only does it not read the temperature correctly, and I know somebody's going to say, well, you keep opening the lid. I've had it sit here before and it gets to like 105, everything all buttoned up. And then as soon as I crack that lid open, the real temperature inside is over 400. So there's that problem. The secondary problem was about 2 weeks ago, it just stopped heating. We were trying to slow cook a tomahawk ribeye at 275, and then all of a sudden it just turned itself off. And I have no idea why it did that. That's weird. The little catch basin is crooked. So I don't know what's going on, man. I like this thing in the beginning, and we've used it probably more than it's designed because we cook on it every single day. And I would clean it about every 3 weeks to a month, suck the dust out and everything, the ash. But one time my wife started it and she kept coming out here. She also has the app on her phone, and it would just never show that it was hot. And so she let this thing run for like 30 minutes, went through a bunch of pellets. And I came out here and I said, dude, it's scalding hot. She goes, well, it doesn't say it's scalding hot. And so that's why I bought this little temperature device right there. And it seems to tell me that it's pretty damn hot in here. So there you go. Don't know how to diagnose this any further. I guarantee you it's not under warranty. I think we bought this in 2021, so that's over a year ago. Just kind of disappointed that things don't last. Quality control, whatever. Don't know. All right, well, this one's done.